Everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. Today I will show you how to use the TD162 keypads work with one pager. Now let me check. First, you can see this is 9. I will use this one to call it. It works. Okay. Now I will use the other one. You can see nothing. Okay. Now I will show you how to use them. First, you need to make sure both keypad have the same keypad ID. Now let's check. Press delete and confirm. F1. And the keypad is 2. And you can see this keypad is 8. So we have to make sure both are the same. Now I will change this one to 2. Okay, confirm. Okay, now let me check. As you can see, it works. If you set to the same ID, they will work with one pager. Okay, if you still have any other concerns about this product, feel free to contact us at support@retekess.com or visit our website www.retekess.com. Thank you.